How to remove green screen in Youcut. Want to make that green background vanish? Let's remove green screen in Youcut the smart way. First, open your project and add the green screen clip as a PIP layer. Tap on the clip, then choose Chroma. Use the eyedropper tool to select the green color in your video. Instantly, the green disappears. Adjust the threshold sliders to clean up any leftover green edges and use the feather tool to smooth transitions. You can now place anything behind your subject, an image, video, or animation. Preview it to make sure everything blends well. Avoid shadows or uneven lighting in your green screen video for the greenness removal. What background are you replacing it with? Let me know in the comments below. Green screen removal in Youcut is powerful and super fun. Your creativity just leveled up. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.